Cheats Chickpea Korma Curry. To make this recipe, you'll need a pack of Coles roasting vegetables with rosemary and garlic, canned chickpeas, korma simmer sauce, basmati rice, and coriander. Then in just 25 minutes, you'll have a delicious curry on the table. You won't need the rosemary from the roasting vegetable packet for this curry. Save it for another recipe. Start by cutting a packet of roasting vegetables into 2 cm pieces. This will help them cook quicker. Put the chopped mixed vegetables and drained canned chickpeas in a large non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Cook stirring for 5 minutes until the onion softens. Next, pour in the korma simmer sauce and stir in some water. Bring it up to the boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and cook for another 5 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the sauce thickens slightly. At this point, the curry can be cooled and frozen in airtight containers for up to 3 months. While the curry is cooking, heat the basmati rice in the microwave for 90 seconds, following the directions on the packet. All that's left to do is serve the curry over the rice and sprinkle with some coriander sprigs. This 5-ingredient vegetarian korma is full of flavour and faster than takeaway. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.